Updating your billing address on Headspace is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Headspace website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile section, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled billing or payment information. Click on this to access your billing details. Step 4. Update your address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing address, look for a Save or Update button. Click this to confirm and save your changes to your account. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation regarding the update. Keeping your billing information current is essential for uninterrupted service.